numbers.
When I say go, I'm going to hold up some fingers and you go find the number. Okay, ready? On your mark, get set, go.
Two. I found the number.
Good job, good job. Okay, I'm going to say a letter. I want you to find the letter B. On your mark, get set, go. Find the letter B.
I found it.
Find the letter B. You're looking for the letter B. Good job. Kira, come here. Come see this letter B. Come touch it with your foot. All right. Okay. I'm going to say another letter. I want you to find the letter C. On your mark, get set, go. C. C. Can you find the letter C?
I will.
You will? Oh, leave a spot for Kira. Leave a spot for Kira. Scooch, scooch. All right. Good job. Okay, I'm going to hold up a number again. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Hey, that's not the number. On your mark, get set, go.
I found it.
Good job. Good job.